Here's how to quickly and easily create new e-covers. To quickly create a new cover, select the template that you want. There's box covers, book covers, membership passes, CDs, DVDs. So a lot of templates for you to choose from. Let's just stick with this one, and then to load up the images for the box covers or ebook covers, here you can select the background, the front. So let's select a front picture image. Let's try this one. Now we need to do the side image. Now the top image, and now a disc, and that's it. And now you can set the width and set the height. Let me set the height to 500 and 360 for the DPI. So I can have a better image quality. And now for shading, you can have a shading color, or you can remove it by dragging this to the left and highlight. You can drag it to the left, and these settings you can play around with them. Next is the shadow. This is the shadow behind the box here. You can set the density and blur shadow and reflection. You can set all these settings here. Let me reduce the length so that it fits on this image. And that's pretty much how easy it is to create new covers.